Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Park the Fusion on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the opposite wheels before starting. Record each tire position so front left remains front left and so on. Match each new Tpms sensor to its original wheel. Gather tools: 3/8-inch ratchet, valve core remover, tire machine or bead breaker, and torque wrench. Have replacement Tpms sensors rated for Ford Fusion, valve cores, and a can of soapy water for leak checks. Keep gloves and eye protection on while working. Loosen the wheel lug nut slightly, lift the car with a jack and support it on jack stands, then fully remove the wheel. Deflate the tire completely and remove the valve core using a valve core tool so the tire stays flat. Use a tire machine or bead breaker to separate the bead from the rim, then demount the tire from the wheel. Locate the Tpms sensor assembly inside the wheel, unbolt the sensor from the valve stem, and gently remove the old sensor and grommet. Fit a new rubber grommet and the new Tpms sensor into the valve stem hole, ensuring correct orientation and a clean seat. Tighten the valve stem nut to 35 nlb, 4 nm, and check the sensor body for secure fit. Remount the tire on the rim, inflate to 35 psi, and torque the wheel lug nuts to the vehicle's factory specification. Finally, relearn the sensor ID using a Tpms tool or by driving the Fusion at 30 mph for about 10 minutes until the Tpms light clears. Check each sensor for leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.